Hello everyone, welcome to the 5th video of our ATEM series. In our previous video, we talked about crypto and how to buy cryptocurrency in Turkey. We explained this through BinanceTR. We opened mobile banking on our phone, sent money to the crypto exchange, and bought cryptocurrency with it. Now it's time to go global. You know the saying, if you're going to drown, drown in the big sea. With a spear in hand and fins on his feet, he dove into the sea. Now we are diving into that ocean. Today we will register on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, which includes almost all high-quality altcoins. Some people find Binance difficult and don't want to get involved at all, but I guarantee you it's very easy. With this video, you will understand easily. Even if you don't know English, you will be able to use Binance very comfortably. Let's get to our video. My friends, I am Monte CryptoContu, and I create videos about cryptocurrencies for you on YouTube. If you enjoy this type of content, you can subscribe to our channel and support us. What is the topic of today's video? I will show you how to download and then register on Global Binance. After that, we will quickly handle the identity verification and then transfer money from BinanceTR to Global Binance. I will explain this using USDT. First, I will download the Binance app to my phone. I opened the search bar, typed Binance, and searched for it. I have an iPhone, so I went to the App Store. If you are using an Android, you can go to Google Play. I clicked on the app, and look, it has 266,000 ratings. Very high. Then, friends, we press download. It downloads quickly. After it finishes downloading, we will press open. When you first download it, there is an easier version called Binance Lite. Instead, it makes more sense to switch to Pro. I clicked on the top left and then clicked on Binance Pro. For some of you, it might open directly in Binance Pro. At the top, it will prompt you to sign up or log in. I am going to sign up. Look, there is an option to create a Binance account below. We click on this. We will enter our email address here. Friends, I have entered my email here. I accept the policy and click forward. I received a verification code. I will confirm it right away. I'm here. It's 112,221. 112,221. Now, I am signing up with a different email address than the one I used on BinanceTR. Why? I aim to increase security. Here, friends, we will write a password now. You need to use uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. I click Next. Now, this is an important part. What does a referral mean? It means I have a referral code. Let's enter it on the screen. QT810OOB0. Now, enter this code and click Send on the right, friends, and you will see that our commission discount rate is 20%. First, you earn a 20% commission rebate. Additionally, those who do well with my referral can join the Monte CryptoContu family analysis group. Here, we have bought very cheap projects like Tyala or other projects. We also provide guaranteed purchase rights. To join this group, you need to fill out the form in the description of the video you watched. In the future, we have plans to offer opportunities to various referral members. We did everything. Now I moved on to the identity verification part. I verified the email, I opened the account, I entered my referral code. Now we are at the identity verification part. I selected Turkey as the country. Your account verification usually takes 7 minutes. I clicked Continue. We will enter the name and surname information. I entered the information exactly as it appears on the ID. You need to be over 18 years old to use Binance. I clicked Continue. My account was verified, but I also need to complete the second level of identity verification. I clicked Continue. You can choose to verify with an ID card, driver's license, or passport, whichever you prefer. Since it's easier, I will proceed with the ID card. I clicked on Continue. I'm already on mobile right now. I selected Check with the phone. Now, friends, I will scan it with my phone. I uploaded the document. I clicked on Continue. Now, I will take a selfie with the camera here. If it says look up here, you will look up. If it says look down, you will look down. Whatever direction it instructs, whether right or left, you will follow it. Look, it says it's under review right now. When I click here, I see that the review is still ongoing. It usually takes 2-3 minutes, but the estimated maximum time, friends, is 48 hours. And friends, an email has arrived. Look. It says your verification is successful. When I go to the account and refresh, I click on the top left. Look, it says verified. Everything is great. Our identity has been approved. By the way, the video you are watching right now is a prize video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to our channel, and shares the tweet in the pinned comment will win 600 teraliters from us. Everything is good. We have registered our members. What will we do now? We will activate two-factor authentication, 2FA. What will we do for this? I clicked on the symbol in the top left. I click on the part where my user number is written above. Then I clicked on security. Now I need to go through two-factor authentication. We are currently using the Authenticator app for this, friends. Let's also show what the Authenticator app is. We came to the App Store. We typed in Authenticator. It's a program by Google. Friends, you open it like this. Look, like this. It generates a new code every 6 or 10 seconds. I can't remember exactly. This is a program that continuously produces new codes. Now we will pair this code with Binance. There is also an option to download the Authenticator app. We have it active as well. I clicked on Activate. Now it has sent a verification code to your email address. We will enter that. I entered the verification. Now you enter this QR code, right? As long as you can see this QR code, you can run this Authenticator. What does this mean? This means the following. Now, friends, this is my Authenticator code. I can either scan this QR code with my phone or copy it. Then I come here, press the plus button in the Authenticator app below. It says enter setup key. Look, I came here, entered the setup key. I said here, Binance Global. I said add, look, my code has arrived. This code copies when you click on it. I went back to the Binance app, clicked next, clicked paste, and entered the code here. And now my Authenticator app is activated. This way, I have increased my security verification. So, we have downloaded the Binance app, signed up, verified our identity, and activated the Authenticator. What's next? From BinanceTR. Transferring money to global Binance. In the previous video, we taught how to go to BinanceTR and buy Tether with Turkish Lira. So, I explained how to buy the digital dollar USDT. Why can't we send it to TR? TR is a fiat currency. And we can't make this kind of transfer. But we can transfer with USDT, which is a cryptocurrency. So, we will send it from BinanceTR to global Binance with cryptocurrency, specifically Tether. You can think of it as dollars. By the way, I just mentioned Delilah's English. Look, there's wallets at the bottom right. I simply click on the wallets. There's the spot feature at the top. You've probably already heard a lot about spot called already. Then, if I want to deposit money, I need to click on deposit. If I want to withdraw, I need to click on withdraw, which means deposit and withdraw. I clicked on deposit. It asks what you want to deposit. Look, at the top, there is USDT. I selected that. Which network want to remember? BNB Smart Chain. Think of it for Binance. I clicked on Web 20. Look, this is where I will transfer money from BinanceTR to global Binance. This is the address where I will transfer Tether. I came to the address, copied it. I went down and went to BinanceTR. I click on USDT. I press withdraw. You can think of this as sending money to someone. First, I select A. I chose the network. I confirmed it. You can think of it this way. First, I select the network. I chose Web 20, confirmed it, understood. Then I came and pasted the address. How much do you want to withdraw? Let's withdraw $100. Look, it shows a fee of $0.33. But it actually won't charge because it's being sent from BinanceTR to global Binance. I clicked on send code. I'm waiting for the email right now. Now, friends, I entered the email code. I also entered the Authenticator verification code from BinanceTR. And right now, I have initiated the transfer process. It will take minutes. First, it will leave BinanceTR. Then, the money and cryptocurrency will move to global Binance. This will be a transaction on the blockchain. Let me check. Let's refresh. It hasn't appeared yet. It should show up in a few minutes. This training series is a great educational series. It enables even someone who doesn't understand cryptocurrency at all to start using Binance professionally and even advance further. You can share this educational series with your friends who don't understand cryptocurrency but are interested in it. This way, you'll be helping your friends and supporting us as well. Yes, friends, my money transferred quickly. So, we have covered everything in our video. We downloaded Binance. Then we registered on Binance. We completed the identity verification. We activated Google Authenticator, also known as 2FA. And then we transferred money from the Turkish exchange BinanceTR to global Binance. Still, write down everything that comes to your mind. We read and respond to them, and they serve as a guide for our next videos. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial series. See you in the next video. Goodbye.